Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have a master gun vise from Real Avid. We're going to go over that, show everyone how it works, then we'll put an AR-15 and a handgun in it to show you everything it will do. Now we'll take a look at it. I wanted everyone to see I mounted this vise on two 2x6s glued together so I could clamp them to my desk, as well as take this to the range to demonstrate it. I'm going to show you a little trick here about trying to find this hole when you go to move it. Take your little string light. I got this little green one. You see my hand? You know it's lined up. That way you're not sitting there wrestling it, trying to move it. Good little tip. Locks down here. You can take this out and you can move this vise just about any way you want. And you can lock it down in this position. And you can see this one, so you really don't need the light on it. But this is very versatile. Pull it back again. You can spin it all around any way you need to. Fool with it enough, you won't need a light. I want to show everyone these jars. Really easy to take in and out. You got foam rubber on this side, and you've got all the different grids over here, depending what firearm you have. I'm going to put this back in here and demonstrate this with a Glock. And everyone can see this is clear. We'll put it in here and you can see if you're working down in this area, it's not going to move. You can also move it toward you. That way you can get a different view of it. Bring the firearm to you, not you to the firearm. We'll put this back up here. Lock it in place. Really like the way this works. I'll set that to the side. I want to show everyone the Smart Fit AR-15 Vise block. It's adjustable to fit your mag well. Go ahead and put it in here. So I'll let those out. And it fits in here. And it will fit a regular vise. You don't have to have one of these. But this is nice. Now I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what all I can do with the AR-15 with this vise. Now everyone can see. I went ahead and adjusted this to fit the mag well on my AR-15. Everyone can see that the bolt and the charging handle have been removed. Locks in place. It's just that easy. Release the quick release on it, and you can see you can turn it all around. Turn it completely around. Any way you want to put it. Now, if you want to work on it in horizontal position, just put your pen in there and lock everything down. That way it's really easy for you to work on. We'll unlock it. Take the pin out. We'll move it back in vertical position. Just that easy. And one thing I liked about the Smart Fit and Vise block, it comes with this. Put this just in this hole. Push that down. Now you can clean your firearm. It all stays in place. And as I mentioned before, if you need a different angle for it, you can change it, lock it down. This is great for cleaning your guns or any maintenance. This is a very nice vise to own. And also, we'll take this back out. Put the pin back. If you're putting a scope on it, you can pull this out and you can adjust it. That way you have it perfectly level when you put your level on it. Real Avid put a lot of thought into this vise. Now we're going to have a few final words. Now that I've shown all of this to everyone, there is one thing that I did leave out. When you're using the vise jaws, put the pins back in it. I didn't show that in the video. My mistake. I really like this vise, and they have other styles of vise jaws as well. Go to the Real Avid website. I'll have a link below in the description box. Till then, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.